Ano masabi mo sa MG G50 Plus, sir? Sige, Jevan LD, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So, honest thoughts and opinions kay MG G50 Plus, no? This is their representative ni MG sa 7-seater or family car segment. And I can say that this is one of those options that I could truly respect. Despite this car or this brand being a Chinese car brand, si MG, we cannot take that out of the way pa rin kasi that's still a very big factor sa a lot of buyers, especially family car pa. Your intention is to really carry with you a lot of people, diba? And that's usually the wear and tear comes. So I think that personally you still really need to seriously consider this if you're gonna buy this car compared to a Japanese car brand na kaya nga subok na nga, diba? Though the best part of choosing or buying Chinese car brands is usually most of the time you're gonna get really so much more like the comfort, the features compared to choosing a Japanese car brand. At around 1.3 million yung direct na katunggali ni MG G50 as siya yung contender kay Toyota Innova XE, which is on the lower variant or on the base model kind of thing. Yun yung talagang tinatapatan nito eh. So Toyota Innova Japanese car brand na XE medyo nasa lower side, and then compared to an MG G50 na 1.3 million pareho but you're gonna get so much more. I think this is really gonna be attractive to a lot of people. 2.8 liter engine diesel si Toyota Innova, but for MG G50 only 1.5 liter. The numbers, the spec sheets will tell you that okay naman, hindi magpapatalo in terms of power si MG G50 Plus. So my suggestion is mag-test drive kayo, and then if you think satisfied kayo sa power, sa hatak ni MG G50, then dito na tayo. Yung decision natin is gonna boil down really to the features and the comfort. With the MG G50 Plus, you're gonna have leather seats na, and then with the Lux variant, top of the line MG G50, you can now have captain seats, which is VIP feeling. You're gonna feel like executive talaga, leather seats pa like I mentioned, and you cannot get that on the Japanese counterpart. You're gonna pay higher if you want that on the Innova. So if you want to know more about these 7-seaters, guys, I created a playlist for you on my YouTube channel. Check it out. Saan nakatulong, follow for more.